Now we have discussed about the last point of the Niels Bohr atomic model. It was missing there. Missing मतलब कि वीडियो ऑफ हो गया था. अब देखो उसमें ये कहा गया कि when electron revolve around the nucleus, then that show angular momentum. Angular momentum, I am telling angular momentum क्योंकि देखो यहाँ सर्कुलर मोशन हो रहा है. अगर एंगुलर मोशन होगा तो एंगुलर मोमेंटम आएगा, और वो एंगुलर मोमेंटम कितना होता है? mvr इज इक्वल टू nh अपॉन 2 पाई. nh अपॉन 2 पाई कहोगे क्यों? h अपॉन 2 पाई मल्टीपल ऑफ h अपॉन 2 पाई हम लोग प्रूफ कर लेंगे. कैसे आया? क्लियर? तो क्या होना चाहिए? mvr इज इक्वल टू nh अपॉन 2 पाई. दैट वाज द last point of the Niels Bohr atomic model. Now we have discussed about the postulates of Niels Bohr atomic model. Postulates of Niels Bohr atomic model का मतलब हुआ कि इनके कंक्लूजन से निकालेंगे कि किसी पर्टिकुलर ऑर्बिट का रेडियाई कितनी होगी, पर्टिकुलर इलेक्ट्रॉन का एनर्जी कितनी होगी पर्टिकुलर सेल में, उस इलेक्ट्रॉन का मोमेंटम कितना होगा, उस इलेक्ट्रॉन की वेलोसिटी कितनी होगी. These are the postulates of Niels Bohr atomic model. See, in case of an atom, each electron is strongly attracted by a nucleus. It means this electron is also strongly attracted by the nucleus. अगर ये इलेक्ट्रॉन, क्यों? इलेक्ट्रॉन नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड है and nucleus is positively charged. It means negative charge will always attract by positive according to Coulomb's law. और कूलम ने कहा था कि in electric field each electrical charge attracted with each other by strong electrostatic force. Applying electrostatic force is directly proportional to the product of both electrical charge and then inversely proportional to the square of the distance between both charges. It means concluded formula will be Fe is equal to K. K means constant. Its value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 into Q2 by R square. Q1 is the charge of nucleus and Q2 is the charge of electron. The charge of nucleus is Jd. So we can write here Fe is equal to K into Jd into E upon R square. This is the electrostatic force applying toward the nucleus. And due to its speed, one force is also applying away as a centrifugal force to balance electron, ताकि उसका जो पाथ है वो मेंटेन रहे. इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी देख लो आप. Fc इक्वल टू mv स्क्वायर बाई आर. अगर ये दोनों फोर्स बराबर होंगे तभी तो इलेक्ट्रॉन अपने ट्रैक पे चलेगा, अदरवाइज ट्रैक पे चलेगा नहीं. इट मींस वी कैन राइट हियर वी नो दैट. जब कुछ नहीं आता तो लिखते हैं वी नो दैट. पिस्टन में क्या जानते हो आप? Fe is equal to Fc. And the value of Fe is already well known. K Jd square upon R square is equal to mv square by R. I think this R will be cancelled out. Then what will be the value of this R? Or we can write the value of V here. So V square is equal to K Jd square by mr. This is the equation number 1. See, velocity v. We know that. We also know what? Angular momentum of electron, which is written mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi. mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi. Then v is equal to nh upon 2 pi mr. If this equation will put in equation number 1, then what will be the resultant value? See here v square and v is there. आप इनको भी स्क्वायर कर दीजिए. On squaring both side, v square is equal to n square h square upon 4 pi square m square r square. आप इनसे कोरिलेट करिए ना. क्यों भाई? क्योंकि यहां भी v स्क्वायर है और यहां भी v स्क्वायर है. तो मैं लिख सकता हूं from equation 1 and 2. What will be the result? This v square is equal to that and this is here. तो मैं लिख सकता हूं क्या, k jd square by m into r is equal to n square h square upon 4 pi square m square r square. See here some term is already common. M one time, r one time cancel out. Then this r will transfer other side. Then what will be the value of r? R is equal to n square तो यहीं पे रहेंगे, h square भी यहीं पे रहेंगे, ये लोग ये रहेंगे, ये मल्टीपल वैल्यू नीचे जाएंगे. क्या आएगा? 4 pi square m k jd square. This is the value of radii of cell or orbit. This is the value of radii of cell or orbit. Here the value of n is number of cell. Number of cell. The value of h is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule into second. Then the value of m, mass of electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram. Then the value of k 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Per coulomb square. Coulomb square. Then after the value of Z, atomic number. Charge of electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. If whole value will put in this equation, then what will be the resultant value? See, R is equal to 0.529 n square upon Z angstrom. This is the resultant value. N is number of cell and Z is atomic number. Wait, listen. This is the postulates to find out the radius. In next video, I will say the calculation of energy, calculation of velocity of electron, and calculation of wavelength. Is it clear?